My very eager mother just served us noodles. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Hi guys, my name is Shen, and today I'm going to tell you about the planets called the planets. And also a brief introduction of the planets. I'll show you them. These are the planets. See? There's Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. I did them in order. And also, if you see them real fast, you can see that they're orbiting, always in this direction. It always moves in this direction because of the Earth's gravitational pull. And then now it looks like it's in this type of thing. Well, we'll learn about this just not now, but later. So let's get on with the planets. Well, also, I want to tell you a very simple rhyme, actually a very simple sentence to tell you, just to memorize them. Since the sun's planets is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, and Uranus, Neptune, we can say that is, my very eager mother just served us noodles. You say, they're not planets, stupid, but actually, I would regret that, but actually, so. I'm just a very active person, so that's why I said that bad word. It's just that there are 9 planets, yes, long ago, but in 2006, 5 years before I was born, they changed it into a dwarf planet. Let's say this is a planet, and this is a dwarf planet, which is bigger. This, of course. Well, it's just a little comprehension of Well, I just wanted to show you all about it. Now I'll tell you all about the planets. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. And Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. And also, it is, well, not the hottest, I'd say. Venus is the second closest planet to the sun. And also, it is the hottest planet to the sun because it is all with those CO2 atmosphere. And now there's the one that we live on. Just a minute. And this is the planet I want to show you. I'll just press this button and I'll see. It's the Earth. We're actually in China now. So let's see it in daylight. So we can also rotate it just to see different places of it. See? It always has it. And also, if you see that it also has the moon, which is next to it. Which is now a half moon. Which is now we can see entirely of it, so it's a no moon. So let's go back to here and let's get back to the moon. So that's the Earth. We're passing the Earth and back to here. It's just that we're just having lots of stuff here. But now we're concentrating on the solar system, which is where we live. So that's the end of presentation. And to see lots of these planets, we need a telescope. They look very different. Now, comprehension questions. So now we're in the comprehension questions. I'll tell you something. If you're new to this video, I'll tell you about it. Pause the video and write your answer in the comments below. And then if you think it's correct, send it. But if it's not correct, change it. And then send it. So now, remember that. Then unpause the video after you wrote the question. And then you answer it. But you cannot change your comment. Comprehension questions. Can you explain what a planet is in your own words? It is made of mantle. It is made of. It actually looks. Some of them are very hot. Some of them are very cold. But all of them have a very exact right temperature. 2. Can you remember the names of all the 8 planets? Use the sentence to help you. My very eager mother just served us noodles. Never mind about that. I already remember. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Why I said them in this way? That's that they're divided into the inner and outer planet. Inner planets is one of the inner planets is where we live in. I'll tell you the inner planets. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, and the inner planet for this sentence is my very eager mother. And the outer planets are the other 4 planets that are out. That is divided by the asteroid belt. Let's say this is Mars. And mommy, can you give me another finger right at the other side? No, like that. If this finger, my mom's finger, is Jupiter, then this finger is Mars. Then this little ring, I'm separating them, is the asteroid belt. That's why it's called the inner planet, and this is the outer planet. Just a quick presentation. So my very eager mother is the inner planets, and just served us noodles are the outer planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So that's it. Which planet is your favorite? Tell one. Just choose your option, but my favorite one is Mars. Because it is red and also has an axis. And also it has a north and south pole, like a magnet. But its magnet is very weak. And also I like rust, and it is made of rust. So this is the end of this book, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.